So Partners Life is a life insurance company. We sell life insurance, income protection, medical to New Zealand really through advisors. So we don't actually sell direct to clients, we sell through advisors. My role within the company is General Manager of Software Development. So the main decision point to go to the cloud was availability. So we have a lot of remote workers, scalability, and when I say scalability, I don't necessarily mean dialing up accounts or people, but CPU, RAM, storage, the whole works. Need a database, dial it up. Don't need it anymore, dial it down. So that's reflected in our cost structures per month. We are Microsoft people, and I think New Zealand is predominantly a Microsoft country. It's easy to get resource around Microsoft. Also, Microsoft has done very well in the cloud. They've made it their mission to make the cloud better, bigger, faster, and we've sort of really ridden on the coattails of that. So we started with 365, so that's your email and personal file storage. Went through to SharePoint Online for our document management and our intranet. Across to we have VMs for our on-premise SharePoint. We use Azure Storage for storage of files. We use SQL Azure for most of our database work. For us, and I'll give a case in point, availability. So when I say availability, I mean really efficiencies. So for example, we underwrite every insurance policy. We designed a system in the cloud for underwriting, and we needed to bring a service on in the States. We did that literally within half a day. We spooled up some new accounts. We got people logged in across from the East Coast to the West Coast. We had about 12 people logged into our systems working. This is a good and bad point where we upgrade all the time, which is a double-edged sword. It's great to be upgrading all the time because you get the latest and greatest. But sometimes when you've got a piece of code that relies on an older version and you don't know when the upgrade's going to be, that caused us a bit of tension at the time. That was resolved because Microsoft listened to the market and changed how they do things. But getting into the cloud, that's one of the things that you just accept. You're going to be upgraded. Our relationship with Provoke is more like a family rather than a business relationship. We have a good relationship where we can debate issues and throw ideas around. We've got a good team approach there, and we like that. They've worked on pretty much most of our major cloud endeavours. So I talked about the document management, they've done the intranet, and they've done our external advisor facing site. I see working with Provoke for quite a few number of years to come, and on hopefully things we haven't even thought about. One of the main ones is operating expenses. That's the cost for us per policy to get it from coming in the door to going on the books. We aim to be 50% of what the market is doing. We operate below that. If you're modelling out and your expenses are running below what you think, you get more profit, which is great for us. So I see the vision for Partners Life is we started off, we wanted to be 100% in the cloud, like that's lock, stock and barrel. We're not there yet, and that's the next big leap for us, is to get everything in the cloud, and that's quite a conceptual leap for a lot of people.